Gokarna, a small temple town in Karnataka, is famous for its beach trek. You basically started from Gokarna Beach and head towards the left end of each beach till you reach Paradise Beach. First up, Gokarna Beach. As soon as you approach Gokarna Beach, take the left and you will be heading towards your next beach, that's Kudle Beach. So it's around 1:48 and we are just leaving Kudle Beach. We had a very good sea-facing lunch at one of the cafes over there, and now we are heading towards Half Moon Beach. The weather has started to get a little dull. Looks like it will rain, but then let's see. Hey guys, it's around 3:30 and we have finally reached Paradise Beach. It's drizzling a little bit and we'll be setting up our camp over here today. There are 2 tents already over here. There's someone already camping. So we'll also try to set up our tents and stay here for the night. We have packed our dinner for the night. That's sorted. And we'll leave then again tomorrow morning after the sunrise, or maybe early in the morning, depending on where we plan to stay the next day. It's a beautiful place, less people over here, and a great short trek over here. I will not say a trek but a trail. So yeah, so let's set up the camp. around 5 o'clock right now. So we have set it up our tents right over there in the background. And now we are just chilling out here. It's little cloudy today, so we can't see the sunset. Otherwise, we would get to see one. The place is quite beautiful. There is no one over here right now, just a couple of people, and I think so they'll also be off this place in another few minutes. But the place is quite good over here and nice for camping. Try to enjoy the night and then go back tomorrow morning, maybe to Balakin, rather than going back to home. So yeah, let's see. Hi guys, it is the next day morning. Yesterday's night was fun. We had a very good night because the foreigners played some damn good music over here. We had a couple of neighbors as well with us. So some people camping. Now we would be heading towards Balakin from here. It's just like half an hour from here, and then we would be heading back. We have some other things planned, but the trek to Paradise Beach is over. Hopefully you all like the vlog. Do like, comment and subscribe.